Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most reliable and innovative tech and home safety products on the market. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best smoke detector carbon monoxide alarm you can get your hands on right now. The First Alert SMCO210. Let's dive in. The First Alert SMCO210 is a sleek, low-profile combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm designed to protect your home with precision and minimal hassle. What makes it stand out immediately is its precision detection technology, which is First Alert's advanced sensing system. This feature significantly reduces those annoying false alarms that often happen when you're just trying to cook dinner. But at the same time, it ensures you get early warnings during actual emergencies, whether it's smoke or dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. Installation is easy and wire-free. It's powered by a sealed 10-year battery, which means you don't have to worry about changing batteries or dealing with chirps in the middle of the night. Once it's installed, it's good to go for an entire decade. And at the end of its life, the device has an end-of-life warning, so you'll know exactly when it's time for a replacement. In terms of design, this alarm keeps things modern and unobtrusive. The slim profile is just 1 inch thick, about half the depth of standard alarms, making it a smart and subtle addition to your home's ceilings or walls. Performance-wise, the First Alert SMCO210 combines a photoelectric sensor for smoke with an electrochemical sensor for carbon monoxide. This dual sensing approach enhances reliability and reduces the chances of missed alerts. And since it's a First Alert product, you're backed by a trusted brand with decades of leadership in home safety technology. It's priced at $39.98 on Amazon, and while that may seem a little higher than basic alarms, it's a worthwhile investment for the 2-in-1 protection, sealed battery convenience, and peace of mind. It also ships internationally, including to India, with import charges and delivery options laid out clearly. If you're serious about upgrading your home safety setup with a dependable and easy-to-maintain device, the First Alert SMCO210 is a strong contender, if not the best. Whether you're living in a house, apartment, or setting up safety systems for a rental property, this unit strikes the perfect balance between function and form. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more trusted product breakdowns. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.